Friday.
Yes, finally Friday.
Goodness. I got the ratchets laid up here.
Yeah, we got a good deal on them, so we try to take advantage.
Gotta have a good deal. Everybody's looking for a good deal, aren't they?
Yeah, and the positive note, yes, that is a very long 1/4 inch ratchet, I know. But if you chose to put a 3/8 head in it, it is possible.
You got something in, don't you?
Exactly. Like most of the time they'll switch out like our little, I don't know if I have one down there or not. I'll grab this. Well, I got mine right here. They normally change this size out. Yes, this is mine.
Right.
Well, it's a demo. But they normally change this head out to a 3/8. So it looks like we have to use our little pack out stuff up here because that's, I'm telling you, handiest little thing you'll ever have for repair kits. So part number, if you want to change your 1/4 inch drive ratchet for a 3/8 ratchet.
There you go, boys.
And
that's how it's done.
I call them like little monsters. Michael laughs at me, but that head goes in there.
See, well, that's wild, ain't it?
It is. What's
so for
crazy,
all of you guys, it's been wanting to know the part number to make that happen.
Yep.
You can wonder no longer.
And it is warranted also. So say for some reason you're able to break that off.
And I'm sure you can, especially with that much leverage. Like,
you would think. I haven't ever had to replace one, but you never know.
Oh, I guarantee you somebody's on a mission right now to have that done and break it by the end of the first day.
But the neatest part, and y'all don't laugh at me, I gotta find my snap ring pliers. If I have them. If I don't have my snap ring pliers, you can't show. Yeah, I got them. Is the neatest part is...
Yeah, watch this gal work. She knows what she's doing.
You take that out. You just take your little anvil out because it's the same. See?
And that's all you gotta mess with.
That's it. And then you just pop everything else back in.
Bam.
Now, you will have to change out your anvil head or the little metal piece.
Yeah.
Yes, face plate. See, I just work on them. I don't.
Hey, that's awesome though that you don't have to mess with the pawl and all that.
Nope, so you just stick it in there like that. It's identical.
So if your Matco dealer tells you he don't know how to do it, send him this link because
there you go.
It's pretty simple.
It is. And a lot of people, they're like, why don't we take your time up and all this? Look, it is perfectly fine. That's what we're here for. That's why we stop by your shop every single week.
That's why y'all selling tools like crazy too.
Yes. We have, look, I'm going to tell you, we have a shop. They have got on here 3 weeks in a row. And yes, our inventory looks low because we're getting ready for our meeting. We're supposed to be able to put in a big old order.
Big orders. That's what everybody wants.
Yes. This guy got on here and he...
Watch y'all.
Yes. Like,
well,
I mean,
I'm going to tell you, that's what the Snap-on guy said. He said he had 2 brothers get on there, and they bought him out of everything. They bought a toolbox a piece, and I was like, man.
Whatever's going on right now, I'm okay with it.
Hey,
so,
do it too.
I'll take it.
I'll see it.
Between that, redback boots right now, everybody's wanting a new pair of boots.
Have y'all seen the new ones? Of course, you know, I just got back from that other tool show. And I seen some that Redback's got. They're like a regular lace-up type boot, but they have like this toe cap on them. Really nice. You guys should check those out.
Maybe they'll have those at our show.
Hey, I wear a size 14, so...
is that 14 UK or is that 14
No,
American?
that's American.
Okay.
Like, I'm not UK.
Well, I had somebody, they swore up and down, and you know how some people are. They're their way, no way.
In Italian, it's like 48 or something.
Exactly.
It's crazy. But
so, on the side of a redback boot, when you get on there or whatever, in the lace, like my tennis shoes are the same way. This is going to be your size. Your part number for these boots are going to end in the UK size. So, CAU, BBK, and this would be 12. Right. So, but if you are a US 13, it's not going to say 13, it's going to say 12. Over on the bottom side, you know, you'll see the, 12. I have a lot of people that they're like, oh, well, I know for a fact this is my size. I'm like, okay, but you got to understand. So I'm like, I'll order them. We'll see what we can do.
So I would assume then my number would probably be a 14 or 13.
A 13. So if you wear 14 US, you would be a 13 redback.
There we go. Now
So,
we're learning something. Man,
just a
y'all
little-
got some nice stuff laid out here. This blowgun kit's awesome in the phone.
Yeah. So that's supposed to be, you know, our best one that we got. The neat part is all the little accessories that go
The
with it.
Venturi tip. So I'm gonna put you boys on some game right here. If y'all have so we would work on semis, and when the hubs would leak, you'd always have a mess.
Yes, everywhere.
It's bad. So the easiest way we figured out to do it is take one of these Venturi tips and shove the straw of your brake cleaner in there and let her eat while you pull the trigger on your blowgun. And what you have created is a pressure washer with super high power, and it works really good. Now it makes a hell of a mess in the floor, so put you some cardboard down, but y'all can thank me later. That's going to save you a lot of trouble. 'Cause that's how you do it right there.
Well, hey, anytime that I can learn something, I think everybody needs to kind of understand it. If you can learn something, you know, that is fantastic.
Those
So,
Venturi tips are really cool how they work anyway. Like,
Yep.
it takes a little air and makes it a lot of air. It's cool.
oh yeah.
I like it. I'm glad y'all got these on here, because I used to have to order stinking paint pens off of Amazon
Yeah.
so I could mark junk.
So they finally let us, they're slowly letting us have more and more Milwaukee, which is
And then
fantastic. But
once the top, you know, if you ever crack that top, because, you know,
Yep.
there wasn't, the ones we were buying, like art
did.
pens, they wasn't made
Yeah.
for work, right? So like you would crack the little cheap ass top that come with it, and your marker wouldn't work. So you sitting there
Yep.
scrubbing kind of like a piece of chalk just to make it work.
well, that, or if it does bust like down the side and then it just paint just
Absolutely.
goes everywhere,
I don't even know how much that is. Y'all always do right there, so I'm gonna put that.
they ain't gonna be bad at all. I promise you.
Ain't bad at all. That's my kind of shopping right there. So I'm about ready. I'm kind of getting aggravated at the stinking junk boxes. I'm gonna be honest with you. I went to use one the other day and fully charged. Fully charged. It's the gray kind, you know the kind I'm talking about.
Oh boy. That kind.
That kind.
Yeah, it's
So
up there.
anyway, fully charged. I hook it on my truck, cranks my truck, perfect. Gonna unhook it, my battery's completely dead.
Oh.
I plug it up, guess what happens? Not a damn thing.
Oh boy.
So I'm a little ticked off of that.
So that, I'll be 100% honest with you, is the number one complaint with that gray box.
Well, the bad part about that box is old, but I've always kept it charged.
Yeah.
Always.
So you've never let it go down past the point
Like
where
this one
there's
was
no charge.
fully charged now, because I just used it during the ice storm. We used it to charge cell phones with.
Which is super slow, by the way, if anybody needs to know that
It does.
information.
It's slow. But I know it was like used and recharged. It never went down. I never let it get below half. So I'm about ready to pull the trigger on one I can replace the
So-
daggum batteries myself with.
Let me be 100% honest with you. I think I just got grease all over my face. Disregard that. If you want the Milwaukee one, you use the batteries. The battery has to be charged, and it has to have a 5.0 battery to do it.
Okay.
It does have an override on it. I'm not 100% how to do the override for the Milwaukee.
So when you say override, that means like on the
Okay,
NOCO, when you hook
press
it
the
up, your
button and it-
battery's too dead, it won't
Yeah.
do it on its own. You mash the button.
So
and it's go.
the Hot Shot, I think that's what it's called, right? Hot Shot will not do it on a completely dead battery if you don't do the override.
Okay.
Michael knows the override. He's on the phone right now, so I'm not gonna
Sure.
bug him. But I think you can, Milwaukee has it on their website. The one that we have been selling, now I'm Matco of course, is this guy. It does come with a block. So let's just be
Hey.
honest there.
That's big time news right there.
Okay, let me see if I can get it out of this box. Oh, I gotta pull it just a bit because it's two sections. So you'll have like your cords in there,
gotcha.
and then you'll
That's
have your
nice.
box.
That way it ain't all jangled up together.
So this little guy,
Okay, it's small.
you hook your cables in here.
Okay.
Does have a light. Has your USB-C out, your A out, and there.
Okay.
And then you have your other ones there. So that being said, this has 3,000 cranking amps.
Okay.
It's not going to do what that 155 GBX
Sure.
will do. It will not. But if you're just cranking your truck or something like that, that's what
I
everybody
want
can
it for
go
a
into.
diesel tractor. That's where I struggle.
So what size diesel is that?
Oh, it's about 80 horse.
Okay, so it's like a
Yeah, I mean,
pretty decent sized diesel.
But I mean, a GB70 cranks it fine.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Well, that very well might be your little guy, but that's what everybody that switched out of the no-cos have went to with us is the Versa Pro 4. Now, I don't know with our stuff coming up if they're gonna come out with a new one, because that's kind of like one of those, like hey, this is in prototype phase, so we don't know
might be best
yet.
to wait.
Exactly.
But I ain't gotta have it today.
But like we say with everything on our truck, we buy on sale. Michael is like the king of, hey, this right here is going on sale. Wait till next week, we'll order it for you then.
That's
It's like,
what I like.
We have a roll cart sold. Our roll carts, not the full drawer, but I call them 3 or 4 drawer.
Sure.
I'm not 100%. It's got the open bottom.
Yeah.
I think we call them MST3s maybe. Anyways, those are fixing to go on sale. Well, I have a guy that wanted one 2 weeks ago, and I said, hey, let me look, let me see.
Like a good sale, like worth waiting on, or are we talking about like $100 and a free t-shirt?
For this guy, it's a good sale.
Okay.
And so he's like, okay, well, I don't need it today. He's buying it for his grandson. He's actually making his grandson a box, which is
that's the coolest pawpaw thing ever right there.
So if you look on my ceiling, it's going to be backwards because you're on camera. He bought this for him.
Oh, man.
This for him. And then I'm going to open my order drawer here.
Holy smokes.
He's got him purple screwdrivers, sockets. He ordered him not Milwaukee. Yeah, 1/2-inch impact socket, 1/2-inch drive deep metric sockets, 1/2-inch drive standard sockets deep, and then both shallow also.
Wow.
So he is setting him up this little cart. It's not for it's for his birthday. And
how old is this guy?
The guy, the grandpa, I think he's in his 60s.
Wow, that's cool, dude.
And his grandson's coming to work with him.
Oh,
so
that's cool.
He's like, I'm going to fix this up for him. Which
that's like every pawpaw's dream right
I'm not going to say who the pawpaw is, because I don't know if the guy watches the videos or not.
That dude's cool as crap, man.
So
you need to.
It's exciting.
It is. Like, I think that's cool. I'm proud for the dude. Like, how awesome is that to get to hand your, work ethic and everything to your grandson yourself, and then teach him. And then if he owns the shop, it's probably getting him ready to
transition him over into it. If I had to guess, that's probably what it's going to be.
That's really cool.
But he said his grandson's favorite color was that, so I'm like, we will deck him out.
There you go.
And plus, the roll cart has a new color available, and that is purple. So
wow.
That's another reason he's like, okay, well, I'm going to wait on that one. So
there you go.
It's exciting. So
it is. That's a cool pawpaw.
It is.
So, all right, guys. Well, we got some cool stuff today. We let y'all look around the truck, and y'all hopefully learned a little something about how to make your Matco 3/8 drive ratchet have a 1/4-inch body now.
It can.
All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Hit that thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm, and Lord knows we need some help. Check over here for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down there. If you're not subscribed, take your finger and click that button. Y'all have a great weekend, because it is Friday. See ya.